Welcome to this quick guide on deleting a message in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you've ever sent a message by mistake or regretted what you shared, this walkthrough will help you remove it smoothly without any hassle. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that you're connected to the internet. You'll see your chats lined up on the left and the selected conversation on the right. Pick the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Once the chat is open, locate the specific message you wish to remove. Hover your cursor over that message. A small arrow will appear beside it. Click on that arrow to reveal the message options. The interface is designed to feel intuitive, so you'll recognize the usual delete option right away. From the menu that appears, choose delete. Then click on the trash bin icon to confirm your action. This step initiates the deletion process. You'll want to verify your choice because this is where you decide to permanently remove the message from the chat. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm the step and the message will be removed from the chat on your PC. It's worth noting that there are sometimes two deletion choices in WhatsApp: delete for me or delete for everyone. In this particular update, we're focusing on deleting the message from your view, which keeps your chat clean and avoids clutter. If you need to delete a message for everyone, you would select the appropriate option available in the same menu, keeping in mind the time limits and recipient availability. As soon as the deletion is confirmed, the message disappears from your chat on your PC. If you've deleted something by mistake, you can still rely on the chat's thread for context, but the specific message will be gone from view. If you're managing a busy conversation, this feature helps you maintain privacy and keep important channels uncluttered. That's all there is to it. With a few simple taps and a quick confirmation, you can tidy up any chat on WhatsApp from your PC using the latest update.